Tecno Spark 30 Pro versus Infinix GT20 Pro camera blind test. Kaya bang ma-distinguish yung Infinix over the Tecno? Yung nasa taas is the camera A, and yung nasa baba is the camera B. Hanapin nyo kung sino yung Tecno. 6,900 pesos yung Tecno and then 15,900 yung Infinix. Yung isa mas warm yung cast, yung isa mas bluish naman. Here, parehas naman silang sharp. Hindi malapit lang din yung white balance. But yung isa mas warm pa rin. Ito nga pala yung video test. Actually, contrast-wise, they have some similarities and also white balance mas malapit over my iPhone test. Definitely mas cool yung stabilization ng isa. Mas parang smooth yung isa. Contrast-wise, they still have a lot of similarities. Actually, dito sa test na to, mas malapit ito over my iPhone test. Pareha silang may 108 megapixels, pero yung sa Infinix 1.8, and then sa Tecno 1.9. Parehas din may bokeh, but yung isa mas warm yung cast, yung isa mas colder naman. Here also, parehas namang sharp, but yung isa mas warm. So, nahulaan nyo na ba which is which? So, pause nyo na ngayon because I'm gonna reveal it in 3, 2, 1. Camera A is the Spark